This video is sponsored by Anco, the clearest choice in wiper blades. Visit ancowipers.com to learn more.
Here are 3 tips to help you sell more wiper blades. The first tip is easy and should be built into your inspection routine. Equip your service bays with a spray bottle filled with water, like this one. Spray down the windshield and operate the wipers. If the wipers streak or chatter, recommend replacement to the customer. Showing the customers that their wipers are worn out is much more effective than just suggesting that they need new ones. The second tip is to help the driver recall the condition of their wipers. Why? Because most people don't think about their wipers when they aren't using them. If a driver has had a recent battle with a rainstorm and bad wipers, chances are they know the real condition of their wipers. Just ask how they were in the last storm. By asking the simple question, drivers are more likely to realize that they do, in fact, need new wiper blades. Our final tip is to consider using wiper blades as a potential giveaway item. If a customer has come in for a big service or has a huge repair bill, why not throw in a free set of wipers? Not only will they realize how good these new wipers are compared to their old ones, but this can also help to build loyalty with the customer. And it works better than coupons or discounts because they didn't expect it. And best of all, they can see their free gift every time it rains. These tips can be implemented today and help you to increase customer satisfaction and vision.